Hello, I will show you an easy way how to tie a tie. Place the tie around your neck with the underside facing outwards. Place the wide end on the right and the skinny end on the left. Position the wide end lower than the skinny end. Cross the wide end underneath the skinny end towards the left. Cross it over the knot towards the right. Fold it up through the neck loop from underneath. Pass it down through the loop you've created in the knot. Pull down on the wide end to fasten the knot, and then slide it up to your neck. And that is how you tie a tie. Don't forget to like and subscribe.